Learning to wait.
Workbook and lesson to accompany this video, available on Teachers Pay Teachers.
Teacher in sweatpants.
Transition times in the classroom. Transitions are periods of time when one task or activity ends and another begins. Examples of transitions include morning arrival to homeroom, waiting for the bell to ring before lunch, walking from the classroom to the gym. Transition times are the best time to go to the bathroom, organize notes and supplies, fill up your water bottle, grab something from your locker, get a snack, socialize, practice mindfulness exercises, and catch up on missed work. Make a list of all the things you have to wait for when at school.
Pause this video to complete list.
Using the classroom waiting room. 1. If the teacher is busy, is there someone else you can ask for help first? 2. If you still need help, take a number. 3. Go back to your desk and work on something else while you wait. 4. Return the clothespin after you have been helped. The waiting game. 1. The waiting game is simple. You have to practice waiting. 2. While the class is observing, the teacher will help someone. 3. The class will observe the teacher and the student they're helping. 4. Students need to watch and wait for the correct moment they should ask a question. The students should watch for the nonverbal cues that show that it is an appropriate time. We call these moments transition times. 5. When students have identified the cues, discuss them as a class. 6. Repeat this activity with different scenarios for students to practice, scenarios included in downloaded material.
Pause this video to practice scenarios.
Discussion questions.
You can pause this video between each question to discuss.
Why is it important to time your questions correctly in the classroom? How can watching the teacher and your classmates assist you to know when the right time to ask a question is? What strategies can you use for waiting patiently? How can waiting patiently for help promote positivity in the classroom? Make a list of the things you can do while you are waiting in the classroom.
Pause this video to make the list.
Teachers, don't forget to print off your own waiting room poster. Teachers, you can purchase or make your own numbered clothespins.
Workbook and lesson to accompany this video, available on Teachers Pay Teachers.
Teacher in sweatpants. Check out my other videos on YouTube.